Hello on the planet and beyond, a shadow between here and there. And today I just want to make a quick video about environmental law because there is such a thing, okay? So environmental law is going to start to cover things when it surrounds different acts, different policies, and different rules and regulations when it comes to the environment. This is where you need to look, okay, as a citizen. Yes, a appointed attorney, someone who's certified and qualified in the judicial system is going to be able to process this for you. However, it is essential as the consumer, the citizen, etc., that you do your own research, okay? So you want to look for environmental law and policies, as well as look into scholarly articles to compile your evidence, okay? Because that's where it starts. It starts as a citizen complaint, and the citizen complaint eventually gets to scientists as well as legal officials to where they can actually prosecute and bring those things in under a court of law, okay? So there are books and resources at your public library. You can compile these things and be able to express yourself eloquently with specific data, okay? Because that's what we need here. Yes, I get it. I'm a big filler, and I understand that, okay, a situation can become overwhelming to where you really want to express, like, I feel this way about this situation. You're upset, you're disgruntled. However, that is where we end up having an issue, okay? There's been a lot of environmental injustices that happen. However, when we as a people go to express ourselves, we usually express the emotional piece. And then there's a specific payout, and then even when you think about payouts, that money is dissected into very small portions based off of who was affected, how much were they affected. They start to quantify and qualify different ailments, and so therefore a specific payout is rendered. So even in situations where you feel like, okay, they did there's been a lawsuit against this specific company because of an oil spill. Okay, well, if a person goes in under the impression of expressing emotions, it doesn't go far. It's not a large enough payout, and a lot of times that information could be unfounded, okay? Because feelings aren't able to be expressed until there's tangible evidence of those things, okay? So what I encourage you as a consumer, as a citizen, is to document these things, date, who was there, witnesses, date and time, who was there, the location, grid coordinates if you can get that, any specific data that you can start to compile for your specific situation. So therefore, it can be presented in a court of law. It can be presented to scientists to do follow-up research, okay? So we have to get into the mindset of this. The legislative system isn't going anywhere. The judicial system isn't going anywhere. You know, there's a lot of conversation about, like, you know, people saying they don't vote or they don't trust law. They don't trust all these different things because of the negative things that have happened. But the negative things that have happened surround people not expressing those situations in a black and white manner. It doesn't happen in a black and white manner, but you have to pull it to there so anyone, no matter what their situation, no matter what their involvement, they can understand what's going on and express this in a court of law, okay? So I want us to really hone in and start to think about these things when we're coming across issues that affect us and our community. Okay, so hopefully that helps a bit. Like I said, I wanted to keep this video short because I want it to reach more people. I understand that people, like, we really live in a fast-paced world to where information needs to be really quick, like the 30 seconds, 60 seconds type information. So pass this along to your friends and family so they can start getting their mindset wrapped around them actually being the push forward for justice, okay? Because everyone is needed, everyone is a censor, everyone can assist with making this a better planet. Okay, so if you have any questions, drop them below. Go to the website betweenhtllc.com. I need to upload some things to the blog, so give me a bit of time. It's just a one-woman team currently. However, I am here to serve. This is part of my mission. The Most High God gave me this mission, and I am your humble servant. So I appreciate you. I love you. Stay prayed up, and I will tap back in later. betweenhtllc.com.